What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share you a problem and a solution. So imagine the following scenario. You have a site that have tons of users on WordPress, but you would like to see the latest created users. If you go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, click on users, you're gonna be able to find the username, the username, the email, the rule, the posts that this user have, and this is all you have. If you go to screen options into the upper right corner of your screen, this is all you have. So there is no option to see when the user has been created. How to add this function to WordPress for free without coding is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter your domain name plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover mouse over plugins and hit the sub-menu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there's gonna be an option called Search Plugin. Click User Registration Date. Just type this, and here is the guide that I'm looking for. Thanks a lot, Slava. Click on Install Now. Make sure that you have this plugin right here, okay? Click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But now, if you go to Users on the WordPress dashboard, you're gonna be able to see a new tab, the registration date. And you can organize. If you click, you can change it from latest to newest, for example. And you're gonna be able to find the date where the user has been created, the time, and you can organize per it. So imagine that you would like to, for example, delete the last 10 users created on your site. You're gonna be able to do this by this method right here to filter it, okay? Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and plugins. All the best!